Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a notebook assignment of chapter number 5 Bones and Muscles from your textbook. So students, today I am going to tell you how to write the answer of question in your notebook. So take out your notebook, your pencil box and your textbook also. So let's get started. Students, in our previous video I had discussed about the answer of this question. Today we are going to write the answer of this question. Question number E, what is the skeleton? What is a joint? Question number 3, why do we need muscles? Question number 4, how can we keep our bones and muscles strong? Question number 5, what is posture? And in this video we also do the concept map in the notebook. So all of you look here. First of all, you have to mention the name of the chapter and then you have to also mention question number E, answer the following question. So students, question number first, you have to mention the question number first, what is the skeleton? Then you have to write the answer. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. So students, this is the definition for skeleton. In the answer of this question, what you have to write? You have to write the framework of bones in our body is called skeleton. Okay. Now question number second, what is a joint? So students, the place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. Next, why do we need muscles? So students, we need muscles to move our bones. Question number 4, how can we keep our bones and muscles strong? So students, to keep our bones and muscles strong, we must exercise, eat healthy food every day to make our bones and muscles strong. Now question number 5, what is posture? So students, here definition for posture is the position of our body when we stand, sit or walk is called posture. So you have to write the answer of this question in your notebook like this. Now here a concept map given below. So students, you have to first mention the topic, complete the concept map given below. Then you have to make a chart like this. So here first our body. So students, our body are made up of bones and muscles. So students, in first box you have to complete the spelling of bones. B-O-N-E-S, bones. And bones are hard and stiff part of body. So here you have to write S-T-I-F-F, stiff. Now the spelling of muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. And muscles are soft. So you have to write the spelling of soft, S-O-F-T, soft. In next, form a framework called, so student, our body form a framework called skeleton, S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. You have to write the spelling. Now in next, students, bones and muscles. So you have to complete here the spelling of muscles, work together to help us, M-O-V-E, move, W-O-R-K, work, and P-L-A-Y, play. You have to complete this one. Now students, bones are joined together at joint, J-O-I-N-T, joint. So you have to complete this concept map. in your notebook you have to make a concept map like this. Okay. Now let's come to the page number 55 in your textbook. Let's observe. So students, here some activity based question is given here. Circle any 5 places that have joints in the image of skeleton on the right. So students, look here at right side. This is a picture of skeleton given. So here what you have to do? You have to circle any 5 places that have joint. So students, here first joint, neck joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, knee joint, and here shoulder joint. So these are the 5 joints that you have to circle here. Now you have to circle the joints, the 5 joints that I told you, that are shoulder joint, neck joint, elbow joint, knee joint, and wrist joint. So 5 joints in the image of the skeleton, and you have to also draw the skeleton in your notebook also. That is assignment work for you. Now question number 2. Saif want to go to the park to exercise. Help him find his way to the park through the maze. So students, Saif wants to go to the park to exercise. So students, you know very well, we need exercise to make our bones and muscles strong. So we must exercise to make them strong. So students, here Saif also want to exercise, so he have to go in the park. So here you have to help Saif to reach to the park, that is here, and Saif is here. So let's find his way to the park. Students, you have to complete this yourself. This is work for you. And students, a project work for you from this chapter. Students, you have to find out from any 10 people, your family member or your friends, the activities they do and the food they eat to keep their bones and muscles strong. So you have to make a list and discuss in class. So students, you have to find out 10 people, any 10 people like your family member, your friends. Then you have to know about the activities they do and the food they eat to make their bones and muscles strong. Then you have to make a list of activities and the food they eat. So you have to do this project work that is related from this chapter, and you have to also draw a picture of skeleton. So the exercises or notebook assignment, a project work, all is completed from this chapter. Now you have to learn all the exercises from this chapter and you have to read the chapter very well, and you have to also do all the homework and assignment that is given during your live classes. Thank you, bye and take care.